All the seawater ended up in somebody's backyard taking cover. This goat is so confused right now. Morning, guys. So this is day 2. Day 2. As you know, I got washed out last night. The waves came in pretty high, and also there was a big storm last night. So I forget to put on the covers. Look how close the waves are washing up to the fence. So guys, I got washed out. I got completely washed out last night. We're about to make some coffee right now, and then I'm gonna cook that fish from last night that I catch, and that snapper, and I'm gonna probably do a little cleanup of the beach. And here's the radio. Look at this now. So I'm gonna have to do some voiceovers because the mic got damaged yesterday, and yeah, so I'm trying to make coffee, but I keep running away, leave everything. I want to fly the drone, I want to capture the sun rising. And right here the rain keep falling, and I'm trying not to damage any more equipment. Trying not to get my equipment wet because I already damaged my audio system yesterday. So yeah. And here's Marcel. He got back this morning and he's gone. Doing his regular morning workout and photography and stuff. Yeah, he's chasing after a bird. So the sun is rising. Well, the sun is up, but it's blocked by the clouds. So yeah, okay. So I'm going to start to make the coffee. Ooh, that don't sound safe. This part and then the water in that part. My bad. My coffee on. And then just put that right there. Voila. Alright guys, so it's raining. It's raining and I'm making coffee. Ah! This was pointless because I'm soaked. Probably was pointless to come in here because I'm already soaked. Wow.
So the locals, they come to take a swim. So this is one of the things that we used to do. And my dad still goes to the beach at 6 a.m. every morning for the past 30 to 40 years.
Yeah. Thanks. Yeah, some more. Alright. Rain came in and washed my coffee out. Oh my god. You know what? It's all soaked already anyway, so yeah. My coffee has gone cold, guys. Cold. We've been trying to boil this water for maybe like an hour and a half.
Yes, guys. So this is the third attempt of trying to make this coffee.
Yeah? No sweetener for the coffee, so we're just gonna drink black coffee this morning. Ooh, so hot. Ooh. Fish for breakfast, that's how we do it. That's how we do it. So guys, please remember to like, share and subscribe if you like this content, and also click the bell notification to get notified, okay? I'm gonna have to do that over, okay? Guys, please remember to click like, share and subscribe if you like this content, and also remember to click that bell notification, guys. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and scale the fish. I don't have a scaler, but I'm gonna scale fish, put it on to cook, and then do a little cleanup and catch from last night. I'm about to scale. And so
Okay. So here is the attempt number 2. So we're gonna just add a little butter. And then we just let that cook. And then I'm just gonna show you around the beach a little.
Here is a river that runs through and go all the way around. The water right here is so icy cold. Ooh, icy! And here it's just warm, great temperature. That's a gator. And this is a doggy. Hi. Hello, doggy. Hey, doggy. Hi. Hi. You're a little old fellow. You're a little old fellow. Come here. Hi, doggy. Hi, doggy. A bit unique. And I'm so grateful. To have this place as my backyard, you know. We just usually just come and swim or just come and play games every day. So I'm truly grateful for that. I'm trying to get this bird. That's the one that grabbed the fish this morning? It's a hawk?
Yeah, red-tailed hawk.
Oh, really? This is the plate for today. Using leaves. Right.
Don't drop it, don't drop it.
Alright, first testing. That's so good. Oh, it was. Alright guys, this is my table spot.
Roast plantain, guys, so delicious.
I thought he had the fish for a moment. Hey doggy, come. I'll give you a piece. Come.
So we decided to put the fish back in to get a bit more of that nice wooded, roasty taste. and then we're gonna finish off with some nice desserts.
Right. Oh. So a little more without squishing this thing. Oh. Nope. Just one more. Yeah. Perfect. One more. There you go. Almonds. Yeah, this one is good. From the almond trees.
We used to eat these all the time, and the amount of time we put under our fingers instead, oh gosh. So I don't know who this dog belongs to, but he decided to spend the day with us, and I did give him some food to eat, don't worry, just didn't catch it on camera. But yes guys, I appreciate you all, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.